I'm Andrew Sears. I'm the president of City Vision University, and a few years ago I used my experience as a co-founder of a research group at MIT and my dissertation to publish a free course on disruptive innovation in higher education in Udemy and iTunes U. That course has now had over 5,000 students. And while that course looked at the disruptive innovation challenge for higher education globally, where it's growing from 100 million students in 2000 to 263 million by 2025. And while that course was focused on vision and strategy, this course is a very practical follow-up. This course is being co-taught by myself and Dr. Michael Trung, who helps train others in instructional design principles at Azusa Pacific University, which is one of the largest Christian universities in America. We both serve as co-founders of the Christian Higher Education Innovation Alliance, which sponsored this course. So there's several things that make this course unique compared to other instructional design courses. The first is this course is designed around constructivist learning philosophy. So you're going to learn by building the course rather than focusing on theory. Second is this course provides very practical Creative Commons worksheets and templates for you to use in building the course. And we really designed this course so that smaller schools could even use this course to provide training to their faculty across the board to try to equip them to design online and blended courses. Third is this Udemy course has the exact same materials as the accredited instructional design course that I developed for City Vision University, and we're just giving it all away for free. Here's how the course will work. The course will start with a template for you to construct your needs analysis and research for your course. You'll then design your learning outcomes using our templates and develop a learning-centered syllabus to meet the requirements of accreditors and a course introduction. So after that, you're going to be using a course blueprint template that we're going to provide to build each week of your course. And while you do that, you're going to go and use a course evaluation rubric called OSCAR to evaluate your course for best practices. We'll share all that we know on the latest technologies, video screencasts, so you can improve the engagement in your course. And for those who come from faith-based institutions, since we have a lot of expertise in there, we're going to provide sections on how to integrate faith into learning in your course. For those who don't, then you can skip those sections. And in the end, you're going to use your course blueprint to develop and create and publish your course in Canvas or some other learning management system. We use Canvas because you can create a free account. The reason why we built this course is we believe if we're going to grow higher education to meet this growing demand globally, we're going to need to dramatically expand the capacity of faculty to develop online and blended courses, and that's really what this course is about. So we hope you'll enjoy this course, and please give us feedback to improve it. Thanks a lot.